Good day all. In this short video, we are going to have a discussion on long and short wall method. This is one very popular method to taking of quantities. Here we see long and short wall method, which is also called individual wall method. So today we are having a discussion on this long and wall method. In fact, we are very comfortable to use long and wall as out to out. This is a more appropriate expression. Instead of a long wall, it is appropriate to speak out to out. Whereas in short wall, it is appropriate to speak in to in. Let us see now, we have a room here, single room building. So this small L is the internal length of the room, internal. So we are specific to internal dimensions of the room. And here you see small b, that is internal width of the room. Now, let us see now, this is the wall thickness, TW. This one is TW, wall thickness. Now what we are going to discuss now, while we are doing excavation for the benefit of construction of foundation, we need to do excavation in below the ground. So here you see the extent of excavation starts from the center line of the wall. Here you see we have width of excavation right from BF by 2 from center line of the wall. So this is BF by 2, this is BF by 2. So let us discuss now. I want out to out length from here to here. That means excavation out to excavation out. So this we can able to get now. Here you see we have small l, that is the internal dimension of the room, plus TW by 2 plus TW by 2. So what we are getting now is center to center length. Now here you see we are at the center line. So if you want to go out to the excavation, so this will be BF by 2, that you can see in this picture. So now BF by 2 from one side and BF2 from another side. So all together I want out to the excavation. So let us see now. Here we have BF by 2 plus TW by 2 plus L. Now again TW by 2 plus BF by 2. So here you see L plus TW by 2 plus TW by 2 plus BF by 2 plus BF by 2. So now we can write simply out to out length for this excavation is undoubtedly L plus TW plus BF. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So TW by 2 plus TW by 2 is TW. BF by 2 plus BF by 2 BF. So with this we are getting the length, that means out to out, or what we can say long wall for the excavation. Now let us see now short wall. This we can appropriately speak into in. See first what we want is center line. So let us see now, this is the center line from here to here, center line. So I know this internal width is B. So if you add TW by 2, TW by 2. And now I am at the center line in the width direction. That means short wall direction. So let me tell you now. So B plus TW by 2 plus TW by 2. Now I want in. In means is just here. Very clear. In. So when I want to come into the excavation, that means beginning of the excavation to the end of the excavation. Now this time I am at the beginning of the excavation. So when it comes to this one, BF by 2, BF by 2. So that I have to deduct now. Minus BF by 2, minus BF 2. Now I am getting, see, just see now, we are selecting another color for better understanding about this into in, that we call short wall. So finally B is equal to small b, that is the internal dimension of the width of the room, plus TW, but this time it is minus BF by 2 minus BF by 2. That gives minus BF. So this is the general formula we are using while we are evaluating quantity of earthwork in excavation. Thank you all.